Dude, I'm rolling. Fucking, you already set up.
No.
You already set up. Go.
No, you're cleaning it up. Why? Why? Because you're fucking getting it. It's your shop. It's not my shop.
It's not like this shop being dirty is going to hold me here at the end of the day.
Dude, just smash it, man. You already set up. Hang on, let me get back. Alright.
I hope that thing bounces back into the fucking thing.
Ready?
I'm not going to do it.
Why not? Oh, come on. I'll clean it up. I don't give a shit. Just do it. Cover my eyes so I don't get that hot sauce in my eyes.
Might want to move. I got it all over me.
I got some on my elbow.
I got all my nose. Oh, man, it looks like somebody shoots over the chair.
Holy shit, look at the chair.
We're good. That was sweet.